Running a rule when subscribing to a funnel inside chatbots created on the Smart Sender constructor. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video you will learn how to activate a rule when a user subscribes to a funnel in chatbots created with Smart Sender. Like and subscribe to our channel. We can run rule using different scenarios. In this video, we will focus on activating a rule when a user subscribes to a specific funnel. Let's imagine we have an online marathon where we subscribe users, send a various lesson and ask them to complete homework. The first step, we created these funnels. Go to our Smart Messenger, and in this case, we create funnel 1. Click in the funnels, create the first funnels. It is funnels, for example, marathon 1. Call it and continue. The first step, it is our technical step. Here we choose channel which we send a message. When this block disappears, click here. Add the first text message. Automatically continue and add the text. Hi, thanks for subscribing to the marathon. Stay tuned for update in this chat. Okay, and publish this funnel. Now let's create a second funnel. Click the funnel and create its marathon 2. Continue. Its first technical step. We add send a message the block. In this funnel, we will send daily videos and ask user to do homework. Text. Our first lesson will start in 1 hour, and I will send the link in this chat. Add smart delay for this. For example, I add only 5 seconds because it is only an example. And my next message. Automatically continue with this block. And text. This is your links to the lesson. I add a button with link. Activating few times. I copy any link and add open website. And save. Next step, we are create a branch. This frog. Automatically continue for this block, and we send a message with homework. Click this block, and I use here user input block because I am waiting answer my users. Okay, this is your task and you send some task. When you complete it, type ready below, and when user types something for this block, we receive homework for our user. It is possible to save this answer user. I save another custom field. For us now it doesn't matter. For example, others. Done. And we need to add a delay too. Here. In this we need to choose specified time after lesson. But for example, I add theme 2 or 5 seconds. It's 2 seconds, for example. When we can to test quickly. Second and here and here. And this, when user send any message, we add some tag. Its tag will be ready. Create this tag. Ready and continue. Choose this tag. Continue. And automatically continue too. Okay. When user receives the first message, this, after 5 seconds he receives second message and link. Automatically continue, we have a fork, and after 2 seconds he is received. This is your test. When you complete it, type a ready below. If user something written after this message, he assigns this tag, and we can try it, for example, thanks. It is thanks. Okay, and this we are reminded about need to do a homework. I add condition and delay. It's maybe delay 1 day. It doesn't matter. 1 day, and we condition if user has this tag or not. Add condition, choose a tag, includes this tag ready. If user has this tag, it's okay, we don't send anything. If user hasn't, we send a message, you need to do your homework. It's only an example. Okay, and publish. Now we create the third funnel. Create. Oh, no guys, I create the third funnel. I need to delete all of this. Okay, no, we don't send this. We do this with another funnel. Sorry. Don't need all of this. Okay. Publish and funnel. I explain now all of the funnels. It's funnels. It's ready. Continue. Choose send message and this text. Your task is accepted, and publishing. Okay guys, I come back all our funnels and this funnel too. It's funnel 1, it's funnel 2, need edit. Don't send any message here. Okay. Publish and this. Okay guys, I explain again. The first message our user receives this: hi, thanks for your subscribing to the marathon, stay tuned for update in this chat. Next message he's received: our first lesson will start in 1 hour. I will send the link in this chat. After 5 seconds he's received this link. After 2 seconds, it is only an example, it is not real scenarios. This is your task, and when you complete it, type to word ready. When the user something writing here, reply for my message, he is assigned for this tag ready. When he assigns this tag, he is received for this message. Your task is accepted. Okay, now then it is all work, we need to do a rules. Okay, back to console, rules, and create the rules. Okay, for example, rule 1, continue, activate this rule, click, and the first trigger, when it is this happen, when the user assigns some funnel subscription. Continue, it's our funnel marathon 1. He is immediately assigned next funnel. Subscribe to funnel, continue, and marathon 2. Note that the rules triggers at the moment of subscription. So, if the user has already subscribed to this funnel before, the rule won't activate. If want to subscribe user who have previously subscribed to this funnel, use the broadcast block. Therefore, it is important to remember that the rule triggers at the moment of subscription on this funnel, not afterwards. Now create the second rule for redeem. Go to rules and we create a rules redeem. Ready. Okay, continue. Activate these rules. If the user assigns the tag applied, continue, ready, we subscribe him for this funnel. Subscribe to funnel, continue, the funnel ready to. Okay guys, now we did two rules. The first, when subscriber subscribing some funnel, he's subscribing next funnel. When subscriber receives some tag, he's subscribed to funnel. Okay guys, now we're testing our funnels. We need to assign our first funnels marathon 1. Go to console, smart messenger, and go to live chat. I find, for example, I choose me on the Viber channel, and here I choose subscribe to funnels. It is the first funnels marathon. Continue. Okay. And this I received the message, hi, thanks for your subscribing to the marathon. Stay tuned for update in this chat. And immediately I receive my second message, my funnels marathon 2. Our first lesson will start in 1 hour. I will send the link in this chat. This is your link to the lesson and link. This is your task. When you complete it, type ready. If I type now ready, I add some tag for me and it is activated my next funnel ready. And your task is accepted. If I go for my live chat, I see I add the tag when I write anything for this chat and I subscribe my next search funnel ready. Okay guys. Today you learned how to use a rules to subscribe a user to a funnel. Now you can create more flexible scenarios for your businesses. Like and subscribe to our channel to not miss new lessons on creating effective sales funnels. See you soon guys!